Having money and being able to manage it properly is essential to achieving your goals. Therefore, it is important to understand how to get it, how to keep it, and how to make it grow. The reality is that it is easy to understand the basic concepts of money. They have been the same for hundreds and hundreds of years. You personally can create wealth beyond your greatest ambitions if you understand and master these 7 fundamental rules of money. Number 1. Save and grow your money. The first rule of money, simple as it may seem, is to save. While this may seem obvious, it's not something most people do. For example, if you buy a new iPhone, you are giving your money to Apple, or when you order a cup of coffee, you are giving your money to Starbucks. Basically, you are giving your money away instead of saving it. Remember that saving money is the best way to pay yourself first before paying other companies. Therefore, your ability to save is the key to building wealth. Also, to increase your wealth, you should be able to use as much of your income as possible. We recommend you save 1/10 of what you earn and more if possible. By incorporating this, you may have to cut back on some of your leisure spending to reach that savings percentage. Still, the bottom line is that you should always have some money saved. Of course, it may not seem like you save much at first, but over time this will add up quickly, especially if you keep the other money rules in mind. Number 2, multiply your savings by investing. While it's great to save money, the thing is that there are many more ways to increase it. You have to understand that it will be difficult to build wealth if you don't have an additional income. Because to earn more money, you have to consider that there is a limit to the number of hours you can work per day. Remember that even if you work more hours, inflation will eventually cause the money in your bank account to lose value, about 3% per year. Therefore, to grow your wealth, you must use your money to earn more money. In other words, you must invest your money. You should make sure you invest as much of your savings as possible. Stocks, bonds, and real estate are the most popular investments. Essentially, it's all about buying assets and having them increase in value without you having to do much. So try to find different ways to use the money in your bank account to buy assets with higher growth potential. Number 3, plan your retirement to secure your future income. No one works forever. One day, you will grow old and you may not work as hard as you did in your younger years. That's why planning your finances is essential to prevent such situations. If you have money invested in assets, it is crucial to keep that money invested long and often. If you take that money out before you retire to squander it, you may find yourself out of money in later years when you need it most. Also, consider that compound interest and time can help you while increasing your wealth over the long term. Keep in mind that in building long-term wealth, it's best to take advantage of every opportunity. And remember that even small gains of as little as 1% over decades can add to huge amounts of money. Number 4, don't spend more than you have to. This means you must learn to live within your means and avoid being consumed by your lifestyle. When income increases, it is natural to want to spend more than you earn. But if you want to increase your wealth, you must resist this impulse. As hard as it may be to accept, living a more frugal lifestyle will help you increase your wealth. Therefore, ensuring that your total expenses are less than your income is vital. Increase your spending only when your income increases. Then, you can save the rest or invest it. Remember that every dollar you earn increases your wealth, and if you follow these tips, you will see your wealth grow as fast as your income. Number 5, avoid high-risk investments and protect your money. There are many options for investing your money, but the most important thing is to avoid losing your capital. Losing your capital is a sign that all the hard work you've done to earn that money has gone wrong, and that's terrible. That's why it's important to only put your money into investments that you have thoroughly researched and are confident will appreciate in value over time. Because even if growth is slow, you can be sure you won't lose money. So do your research before you buy any asset. Make sure the potential rewards outweigh the risks and are based on actual facts. If you hear something that sounds too good to be true, it's best to research it thoroughly before making a decision. Number 6, your home can be a lucrative investment. A house is the most important expense in a person's life. So if you can leverage the money you have invested in your home to your advantage, it will make you far more money than any other asset. For some, buying a home is the most popular way to use it as a leveraged investment. Plus, they can increase its value by renovating it. The best thing about buying a house is that you often get tax advantages. For example, appreciation can be tax-free in some countries. In short, the idea is to use your house as an instrument to increase your wealth. Number 7. Increase your skills to earn more money. The bottom line of your income is equivalent to your ability to generate money. In other words, if you want to increase your income and have more money, you will have to be smarter and more skilled. To improve your skills, you can take online courses, read books, attend networking events, and so on. Anything that increases your value to society will generate more profit for you. Of course, this kind of learning should not be generalized. That is, you are not going to make more money if you read a book about spaceships and work in sales. You should consider the potential return on investment for each skill improvement you focus on. By improving your skills, you will generate more value, which in turn will increase your income. So remember, you can constantly improve your knowledge and skills so that you can position yourself in a place where you can earn more income. Now, tell us about yourself. Which of these rules are you going to start applying to your finances? Thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe to see more content like this. Take care and see you next time.